Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now click on additional settings, go into keyboard and input method, tap on Gboard and finally select theme. Over here you need to tap on this plus sign under my themes. Then select the photo that you want to apply by clicking on the chosen one. After that, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, choose next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on done, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off, and finally click apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!